Welcome back to Vehicle Club, your go-to hub for the latest car news, reviews, and insights. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Renault Triber, the compact 7-seater that's making waves in the affordable MPV segment. Refreshed design and exterior upgrades. The 2025 Renault Triber comes with a refreshed look that subtly enhances its road presence. The redesigned front grille, sleeker headlamps with integrated DRLs, and a sportier bumper lend it a more premium and mature appearance. Renault has also introduced new dual-tone color options, alloy wheel designs, and revised taillights, giving the Triber a modern touch without losing its practical roots. Interior space and flexibility. Inside, the Triber retains its biggest strength, space. Designed to accommodate 7 passengers comfortably, the modular seating system allows for multiple configurations. Whether it's full family outings or hauling extra luggage, the Triber adapts with ease. The updated cabin now features improved upholstery, a dual-tone dashboard, and additional storage spaces, ensuring both comfort and utility. New features and technology. Renault has packed the 2025 Triber with more tech than ever. A new 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay now comes standard. Keyless entry, push-button start, steering-mounted controls, and a rear camera add to the convenience. Higher variants also include rear AC vents and USB charging ports for all 3 rows. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the Triber continues with the reliable 1.0-liter petrol engine, now fine-tuned for better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. It's available with both a 5-speed manual and AMT gearbox. While not a performance car, the Triber shines in city conditions and delivers a smooth, practical drive. Safety and value. Renault has made safety a priority in the 2025 Triber. Dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and speed-sensing door locks are standard. Top trims get 4 airbags, ESP, and hill start assist, making it one of the safest in its price bracket. Conclusion: is it worth it? If you're looking for a value-for-money 7-seater that blends practicality with modern features, the 2025 Renault Triber is tough to beat. Stay tuned to Vehicle Club for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.